second year to attend. Ito kami sa place na aking kala mo lang yun. Si Gino is there. Papak. Ayun naman si Jester, DJ. So mamaya, ang tabayaan nyo kasi sasayaw kami. Okay, may information number kayo mamaya. So, merong yung video itatry pa talaga natin mamaya. Okay guys. Basta po, senyor. Usher.
Welcome to Sumter Christmas Party 2024.
After the prayer, I need
So, are you good?
Yeah, ano na, figure out ko muna po. Kasi yung charger, nakalimutan ko. Tapos yung charger ni ating gamit ko. So walang loose. Ewan ko, siguro sa saksakan eh. Ako yan,
Okay.
kahit naman eh.
Ayun na, mag-start na po. So they're doing the raffles now, and I've got like 3 tickets for us. Hopefully we'll win tonight. Alright, so we've got like hey.
Yeah, the perfumes. I'm gonna push things and see how far I can go.
Soldier boy, tell me. Yeah, I got the new damn y'all call him Soldier boy. You gotta punch then crank back 3 times from left to right.
Watch me, Nene. Watch me, Nene. Wala mo na sumisigaw. Ay. Hey! Ay, galing. Ay. Ay. Ay.
Let's go!
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm out. I see dead people.
Let's go!
I playing with his nose now. Baba got a weird case where I see around. Certified never boy, certified pedophile. Wah, 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 wah. Yeah, fuck 'em up. Wah, 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 wah. I'ma do my stuff.
Look, why you showing like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord, and it's probably A minor.
Maganda yung sayo nila. Maganda yung sayo nila.
They not like us. They not like us.
Ay, wala. Sunod pa kayo.
They not like
Pa kayo.
Hindi na sila sasayaw.
Nakauwi na yung mga tao.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan?
Yo, Nate, are you having a good night tonight? What about you guys? Did you guys do good on your dance?
Yes, but
You're acting like you weren't a part of
I
it.
was shaking the whole time. I don't know if you could tell.
You're acting like you weren't a part of it.
What about you? Were you shaking when you did your performance?
Nah, I'm just a little sweaty. Especially in the... I'm not saying that, never mind.
Hello, here we are at the Sumter Christmas Party 2024. So this is the biggest one we had compared to last year's event. So yeah, it's fun, good food, good people, good prizes, and yeah, have a good day.
Jericho, you enjoying the party?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Interview.
You enjoying the party?
Yeah, I am. Hey, I am one.
What you got on your plate?
I got macaroni, meatballs. Hey, baby Jesus. Lumpia, more pasta, rice, shomai, and
Fatty. Fatty. I'm a fatty. Biggest.
What you got on your plate?
A lot. I forgot to get rice, so I'm a disgrace to my race.
Yo, Garrett, what you thinking about getting on your plate?
A little bit of everything, but I'm on a diet, so not a lot. Rice, of course, the staple.
Ayan, tapos na kami kumain.
You're supposed to move. Okay, let's try it. She did not understand it. Okay, next.
Ayan, may bilo-bilo.
Alright. Can you go back to the spacing that you had?
Ayan, tapos na kami kumain.
So basically, you're going to just catch your stick to your left.
Bibigyan na sila.
Alright, they're good. Catch your stick to your right. Okay, can we have some spacing? Space. Alright, catch your stick to your right. Catch your stick to
Sino
your right.
naglalaro sa labas? Si DJ.
Oh, we have two
Ay,
down.
DJ.
Okay.
Pero may kinuha siya sa bahay. Saglit. Ayan. Manong rating mo sa pagkain? Okay naman.
You can say,
About you, Garrick, anong rating mo sa pagkain? Masarap ba?
Chef's kiss. Did you try my Cajun shrimp Alfredo?
sorry.
Si Tip, nag-enjoy ka ba sa food? 9 out of 10. How about you, Kuya AJ? 10 out of 10. Ito, 10 out of 10 kasi dami kinuha.
Can we get more spacing than that?
Nick, how you rate the food? Is it good? Okay. How about you, Hen? Soldier boy, Hen. Soldier boy.
So I'm not gonna do any right or left. I'm just gonna say grab the stick, okay? Grab the stick.
Bali, pa rin sila nag-games doon. Ako hindi ako mag-participate kasi inaantok ako talaga sa totoo lang. Kasi galing pa akong duty kahapon. Ay, na isang gabi. For the very long year lang tayo for today's atake. Ayan lang tayo. Ano yan?
Ano? Mamaya na. Secret.
Secret.
Ready na kayo? Next na tayo sasayaw.
Ay, next na agad?
Ready na kayo?
Ano ba yan? Naiya ako!
Okay, while waiting for the next performance, we're gonna do some draw, okay?
Kambal! Videoan mo kami pag sasayaw na ako, ha?
Feel They woke up like that, guys. They woke up.
Anong kahihiyan ko? Wala nang kahihiyan. Galing. Si Eli ang galing yan, ha?
Praktisado ba to?
You know what? All of them are the winners.
Eli! Idol! Saan ka naman dyan, bossing?
Tatapat yung mic. Ano te?
Sa ako, ano masasabi mo dun sa sayaw natin?
Ano, pwede na sa 30 minutes. Practice.
Ano susunod dyan?
Eh, next na sa sayo. Yung last na yun, basta mamaya pag...
Para makaano na tayo, makapagpag. Makapagpag na. Makapagpag. Pag? Oo.
Alright, next. 14.
Ko na.
Come on.
Eh, ito nga problema.
Oo, wala yun. Wala yun.
Ay, ayaw.
Pwede naman, pero hindi tayo masyadong tatagal.
Okay,
Yun, pinakala pinapatay ko eh.
one straight.
Kaya ito muna ginagamit ko.
Ay, gano'n.
Pero at least, kapag nasayaw kayo, go malakas.
Ito na lang.
Pero may okay? Merry Christmas! Try ano, start vlogging na.
Yeah, start vlogging.
I can do it.
Yeah. Nalo ka?
Yan. Ano lang, kakadating ko lang. Tapos sumali ako. Nalo kami mga boy.
Anong ano mo?
Kapremyo ni Mayor, may sabon na kami.
Hindi kaya pag-kes hindi nang galing sa BS.
Oh,
Wow.
ito na.
Tama yan, gusto mo pamantin ng moisture.
Dami sabon. 8 pa?
Pwede na ipang balikbayan box.
Oo, pwede.
Pambalikbayan box.
What is that?
What is that, Hen? Merry Christmas, Hen!
Mama ko dyan.
Hen, Merry Christmas, Hen!
There you go.
Hey, wow! Wow, Hen got gifts!
Are you gonna put them on?
Ano naman yung kulay green?
Put it in the Christmas tree.
Oh, dalawa yan.
And you're gonna put it in the Christmas tree, Hen. Then you're gonna open some gifts. Formation.
Ladies and gentlemen. Mona, facing Mona. Pangmalakas ang Mona. Come on! At sayawan na. Ladies and gentlemen. The Beanies Ensemble. The Chaching and Friends. Merry Christmas, everybody.
How could you do
Ito nakuha sa Japan. Ayun, sa construction sa Guam. Construction sa Guam. Ito, construction sa Guam. Ang galing!
Hey, that's one
Ang
sila
galing.
Dugo na nagkakalat sila.
Meron yung
Parang
Sumter.
sa Sumter.
Ang galing! Ang galing! Ang galing! Ang galing! Dahil dyan gusto mag-solo ni Tiffany.
Made it again this year for our party. But of course, it won't be impossible without these two. So can I call Jester and Derek as well, please? So to Derek and Jester.
Wow!
Thank you so much. I don't know if it's a busy.
Sisingit ko na lang para may closing lang ako. Okay guys, that's a wrap. I'm going home. Merry Christmas everyone. Merry Christmas sa Pilipinas. At abangan nyo pala ang raffle. May raffle ako sa Pilipinas ng January 1st ng 2 p.m. sa Pinas time. Kaya alas 2 sa madaling araw dito sa amin. Yan ang ating pa-share ng blessing sa ating mga kamag-anak at kapamilya sa Pilipinas. So, iba-vlog natin yan para masaya, para pabalik-balikan nila, diba? O, sige na guys. Merry Christmas everyone. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.